Hello, friends and family. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I share with you the simple yet delicious Ghana koose or Akara recipe with you. This was easy to put together, and you are going to love it. If today is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel and be part of this wonderful family. So, guys, let's get into the video. In a bowl, I have the beans which I have soaked for 8 hours, and the reason is I want the beans to become very soft so that when blending it, it will be so smooth and nice. So I'll just go ahead, get rid of the water and wash it well off camera. Okay, so after washing the beans, this is it now. I will go ahead and add some onions to it, and I'm also going to add some habanero pepper to the beans, and then put this in the blender. Add 1 cup of water and then blend this together. So here we have our beans after blending. I'll go ahead and add some scallions. I'll also go in with some tablespoon of salt and then whisk it until it becomes so light. Alright fam, so today being 11th of May, I just want to wish all mothers and all potential mothers on YouTube Street happy Mother's Day to you all, and God bless you for your dedication and your hard work. It's not easy being a mother. So at this point, our beans has become so light, and I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming through for me. God bless you. So now I will heat up my oil. So after some time the oil is hot, I'll just scoop some of the beans and drop it gently into the hot oil. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. After some time in the oil, I'm just flipping for the other side to also fry very well. And when it is ready, I'll just take it off from the oil. So as you can see, the koose are well fried, and I'm just taking it off from the oil. So I will repeat the process until every koose is well fried. If you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach more people. Okay, lovely. So this is our koose recipe. This came out so perfect, nice and delicious, and I really love the outcome. It was also very fluffy. If you find this video interesting, give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.